channel Puneet GM. And my name is Puneet GM and I am a student of SVCE Bengaluru. My USN is 1VE22CS120. The subject is Computer Aided Engineering Drawing. The topic of this session is Significance of Engineering Drawing, BIS conversion of engineering drawing, freehand sketching in engineering drawing, and the scales used in engineering drawing. We'll see what are the topics we'll cover in this session. The significance of engineering drawing, BIS conversion of engineering drawing, freehand sketching, and the scales used in engineering drawing. First, we'll go to the introduction. What is engineering drawing? Engineering drawing is a circular tool for engineers in a designing and manufacturing process. It helps in communicating ideas, concepts, and specialized accuracy. BIS conversion and freehand sketching are the important aspects of engineering drawing. We will go to the significance of engineering drawing. What are the significance of engineering drawing? Engineering drawing serves as a universal language for engineering, establish efficient communication. It ensures accuracy, precision, and it enables accuracy, precision, and design and manufacturing process. It aids in visualizing and understanding complex engineering concepts. We will go to the importance of BIS conversion. What do you mean by BIS? First, we should know what is BIS. BIS is Bureau of Indian Standards. First, we will see the importance. BIS conversions provide a standardized format for engineering drawing. They ensure consistency and uniformity in the representation of dimensions, symbols, and notations. BIS conversion facilitates easy interpretation and understanding of drawing by engineering, manufacturers, and stakeholders. This is the important tool for engineering because we can communicate with each other without the language barrier. The next is the dimensionality and tolerance. BIS conversion defines clearly guidelines for dimensioning and tolerancing in engineering drawing. Accurate dimensioning helps in the proper assembly and functioning of mechanical concepts. Tolerancing ensures the manufactured part meet the required specification and fit together correctly. These are the two important things you should be known. Next is the symbolism and notations. What are the symbols used in BIS conversion and notations? We will see the concept in this. First, BIS conversions establish a set of symbols and notation for representing various elements in engineering drawing. Symbols helps in identifying features, materials, processing, and other important informations. Notations provide additional details such as surface finish, material property, and tolerance. You can see here the symbols that are used. First, we'll see the first symbol, reference symbol, target point, and this is the depth, this is the slope, angularity, concentricity, diameter, and for radius you can use the diameter by 2 or r diameter by 2 you can use, and line property profile, flatness, straightness, box colorate, text box, etc. These are the symbolism and notation used in the engineering drawing. Sectional views. We should see the sectional views, how these are done. BIS conversions specify the use of sectional view to represent internal details of complex compounds. Sectional views aids in understanding the internal structure, dimension, and relationship of parts. They enable designers to communicate design, intern and facilitate manufacturing process efficiently. This is the section views. You can see here the section views of this. Notice how cutting of material is shown. Sectional views of this label is done here. The next is the orthographic projection. Orthographic projection plays an important role in this BIS conversion. We will see here BIS conversions promote the use of orthographic projection for representing three-dimensional objects on a two-dimensional plane. Orthographic projection provides multiple views, like you can see a top view, front view and the side view to convey complete information about an object. It ensures accuracy, visualization and interpretation of a design by different stakeholders. And you can see here these are the views that are done here. The next is the isomeric projection. What do you mean by isomeric projection and what is the importance in this BIS conversion? We'll see. Isometric projection is a widely used technique for representing three-dimensional objects on a two-dimensional plane. This is like same as that of previous one. BIS conversion provides guidelines for creating isometric drawing which offer a realistic view of an object. Isometric drawing aids in visualizing, spatial understanding, and effective communication of design ideas. The next is the freehand sketching. What do you mean by freehand sketching and what is this importance in this engineering drawing? First, we'll see what is freehand sketching. Freehand sketching is a valuable skill for engineers to quickly convey the ideas during the initial design phase. It allows for exploring of multiple design options and promote creativity. Freehand sketching are an effective means of communication between engineering and a client, facilitating better understandings. We will see the sketching techniques. What are the sketching techniques that are used in the freehand sketching? Freehand sketching requires understanding basic sketching technique like line quality, shading and proportion. Sketching should be neat, clean and representative for an intended design. Practice and refine the sketching skill help in becoming professional in conveying ideas through sketches. And you can see the what are the sketching techniques and the thickness that you can see here. I'll zoom it. You see here clearly. Stripping. First is the stripping, scribbling, shading, scribbling and cross hatching. The next is the benefits of freehand sketching. What are the benefits? Here we'll see. Freehand sketching enables rapid visualization and iteration of design concept. It helps in problem solving as engineering can quickly sketch and explore different solutions. Freehand sketching are a cost-effective and efficient means of communication during collaborative design process. What are the integration of freehand sketching in this? You can see here they are used in annotation and highlighting of specific designs and etc. And the digital sketching tools. These are the digital sketching tools that are used in the CAD model. And we'll come to the introduction to scales in engineering drawing. First, what is scales in engineering drawing and the types of scales and where are they used. First, scales in engineering drawing are used to represent real life objects and structure accurately on paper. They help in determining the size, dimension, and proportion of various elements in this drawing. Scales are essential for precise communication and understanding among engineering, architecture, and other professions. You can see the definition of scales here. And what are the types of scale? First is the architectural scale, next is the engineering scale, and the metric scale. First we'll see what is architecture scale. Used in architectural and construction drawing, it is typically representing the measurements in inch or feet. Next is the engineering scale. It also helps is also known as civil scale. It is used in civil engineering and represents the measurements in feet and dimensional inches. Metric scale. Based on the metric system, it represents the measurement in millimeters, centimeters, or meters. You can see here the scales and the type of scale which are used here. And commonly used scale. First is the 1 is to 1 scale, 1 is to 10 scale, and 1 is to 100 scale. First, what is 1 is to 1 scale? Represents objects in their accurate size, where 1 unit of the drawing is equal to the 1 unit in real time. Next is 1 is to 10 scale. Objects on the drawing are 1/10 of their actual size, means on unit on the drawing represent the 10 units in the real life. And next is the 1 is to 100 scale. Object on the drawing are 1/100th on their accurate size. And how to choose the right scale? Choosing of the right scale is an important thing in the engineering drawing, because the size scale which you choose, that is, one is the what is that A1 size sheet, A2 size, A3 size, and A4 size. You can use these four sizes as in your size, but in engineering drawing more frequently A4 sizes are used. Considering the size of engineering drawing sheets and level of details required, determine the length and smallest dimension on the object being drawn to select an appropriate scale. Consult industry standard or guidance for specific application of a project. That's all for this session today. I thank you for your valuable time for listening my presentation and knowing more about this CAD. What are the significance of engineering drawing, BS conversions, freehand sketching, and the scale used in engineering drawing. I thank you one and all. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, like. Thank you.